Why do tiny snakes like the species name play such a big role in nature? This little guy is one of the smallest snakes in the world, but don't let its size fool you. Despite being only a few inches long, the species name is a mighty force in its ecosystem. It's a champion at controlling insect populations, keeping the balance just right. Those beautiful scales and vibrant colors, they're not just for show. They help it blend into its surroundings, protecting it from predators. Watch how it slithers with such grace. Isn't it fascinating? Curious about more incredible creatures? Subscribe for more wildlife wonders.